Hey there, I'm Ron, co-creator of Love Genie, and I want to give you a little demonstration of Love Genie in action. So let's start it up here. The whole idea of Love Genie is to give you a fun way for two people to play a game on the iPod to test out their love potential. Okay? So the game they're going to play is they're both going to put the thumbs on screen and they're going to move the phone to try to find a certain point by tilting the phone, and they'll get some feedback from the Love Genie as to how they're doing. The better they work together, the higher their score, and therefore the higher their love compatibility will be. So in this case, I'm going to play the game by myself, but you'll get the idea how two people would play the game. So I'll tilt it sideways just to make it a little easier for me. Two people would put their thumbs on the screen. Love Genie gets ready, and now you can see his face has turned color. What you're going to try to do is to work together to make his face become green instead of red or yellow, and I did a horrible job there, and my score was actually 0. And you get a funny little quote which says, in this case, run away while you still can. So let's play again. So thumbs on screen. Okay, we're a little closer. Okay, now we're getting close to green, pretty deep green, and in fact what I'm trying to do is to make it so green that he flashes white, and then I know I'm right very close to on the spot. So in this case, a much better score, 86, and the quote is love at first sight. Let's try another one. Thumbs on screen. He's yellow, red, so I know I'm in the wrong direction. Now I'm over here a little bit. Green, trying to get him to flash a little bit white to really find the spot. Didn't quite get it. Score is 67. And the quote is, I'm afraid to say, play again. So you see the idea. Two people put their thumbs on screen. They'll work together to try to accomplish this task. The better they do, the higher their love potential. A great thing to do when you're just getting to meet someone, fun game to play with friends, that kind of thing. We hope you like it, and by all means let us know what you think of the Love Genie. Thanks!
Hey there, we just released version 1.1 of Love Genie today, and I want to give you a little update on one of the new cool features. I just played the game. You can see I actually got quite a good score, 96. And now you'll see instead of one big play button, we have a play button and a share button. The play button does what it's always done, which is to let you go ahead and play the game again. But the share button lets you do a couple cool new things in Love Genie. So one of the things you can do, of course, is you can click share, and then you can email the results image to your friends. So you'll see it'll pop up an email, and it comes up with this really cool image of the genie, your score, the funny quote, and a little logo down here about Love Genie itself. So that's one thing you can do. Another thing you can do when you click share is to be able to save the image, and it'll just save it to your photos folder. We'll scroll over here. Whoops. Photos. Camera roll. And sure enough, there is the image. So it's a fun thing to do. You could then take that image, upload it to Facebook, say, hey, here's the score me and Julie got, share it with your friends, that kind of cool stuff. Anyway, hope you're enjoying Love Genie, and definitely send us any feedback you have. Thanks!